Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 17 keyboard bugs. Recently iOS 17 packs improvement to the keyboard including autocorrect, inline predictive text, grammar correction, dictation and the emoji icon. These changes to the keyboard on iOS 17 are helpful to save users time and improve accuracy. However, sorts of iOS 17 keyboard bugs are reported such as lag, inaccuracy and vanishment. The features need some time to get better. If you are experiencing annoying issue on the iOS 17 keyboard, this video can assist you. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check the keyboard settings. Settings of the keyboard should be checked and you can disable and re-enable the functions. If you are still not satisfied with the feature, it's easy to turn off the specific function. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on keyboard. Then you can toggle on or off functions like auto capitalization and auto correct, and then hit the keyboards on the top of the screen to add new keyboards. You can delete keyboards from here and you can also add new keyboards if you want, and you are done. And the next step is reset keyboard dictionary, and the solution to the keyboard bugs on iOS 17 is resetting the keyboard dictionary, especially in cases where your iPhone provides weird corrections. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. From here, tap on reset keyboard dictionary. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset keyboard dictionary and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is also a quick and simple solution to the iOS 17 keyboard bugs. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button. Then slide to power off and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. What you should also try is resetting all settings on your device. For this, you just need to go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. From here, tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. This method will reset the configuration on your iPhone but will not erase content. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iOS 17 keyboard bugs. Also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.